Okay. So a common application of percent involves, and then the blank you should put sales tax. Oops, can't spell this morning. Sales tax collected by states, counties, and cities on sales of items to customers. Andre, will you hit one light, and it's the furthest one away from the door? Thank you. All right, can somebody read number 1 for me?
Go to Best Buy in Alabaster and buy a Fitbit for $99.99. Sales tax in Alabaster is 9%. How much is tax on your item? What will be the total cost of your item? 99 cents.
All right, so here is the formula for sales tax. You're going to take the tax rate times the item's cost to find out how much tax is on your item. But before we do that, we have to turn this 9% into a decimal. So what is 9% as a decimal? Good. If you don't know how to do that, just take 9, divide it by 100 in your calculator, and you should get 0.09. Okay, so again, how much tax is on your item? We're going to take $99.99 and multiply it by 0.09 and tell me what you get.
108.989.
Alright, we're just doing tax right now. So I just want 99.99 times 0.09.
I got 8.9.
Good. $8, and we have to round that 99 cents up, right?
$9.
So it'd just be $9 even. Good. Everybody understand? It was 8.9991, and we're rounding to the nearest cent, so it rounds it up to $9. All right, now to find the total cost of your items, we're going to have to take that tax and do what with it?
Add it to the
Good. So $99.99 plus $9, and that's going to give us what for the total?
$108.99.
Good.
What do we round it to the nearest cent?
Yeah, this is the nearest cent, right?
Oh, I thought it would get a 109.
We're just rounding to the nearest hundredths when it says cents.
Okay.
Any questions about that one? All right, do 2 on your own, then I'll call on somebody to help me out. And these are actual tax rates from cities.
And why do they be different every city? Why can't it just be the same?
Depends on how many people live in the city. You might need more tax money for like different schools, things like that. Anybody need more time on number 2? Okay. All right, anybody want to help me out on number 2? All right, Austin, go ahead. Go ahead and read it first.
You go to Walmart and Apple where the sales tax is 9.5% and buy groceries for $78.92. How much tax is on groceries?
All right, so tell me how to find the amount of tax.
I put in the calculator 0.095 and then multiply that to 78.92 and got 7.49 and then added it to 750.
Good.
And then I added together and got 86.42.
Good. You added what together?
750 plus 78.92.
Good. And got what now?
86.42.
Good job. Here you go. Any questions about that one? All right, so we've talked about tax. So tax means something extra you have to pay, correct? something you have to add to your total. Now we're going to talk about discount. So if you have to subtract something from your total. Alright, so discount is same thing, discount times the original price. The only difference is we're going to take this and do what with it? Subtract it from the original instead of adding it. So again, tax is you're paying extra, discount is you're getting to pay less money. Somebody read number 1 for me. Go ahead, Guy.
A laptop on your wish list that costs $650 now on sale at 15% off. What is the discount amount? What is the price of your discounted item?
Alright, so we're going to take 15%, change it to a decimal. That's going to be what?
0.25.
0.15 times 650. Somebody tell me what the discount would be.
$97.50.
Good. Any questions about that part? Now what will we do? So tell me what to write. Good. Original price minus your discount, and that's going to give us what? Good. So your laptop would be on sale for $552.50.
Wait, how did you get 0.15?
15%, we have to divide it by 100 first to change it to a decimal. Alright, do number 2 on your own, then I'll call on somebody.
Bless you. Thank you.
Alright, anybody want to help me out with this one? Alright, Guy, go ahead. Go ahead and read it first.
Native Beach just posted coupon on Instagram for 20% off of one item. How much would that make the $48 dress you wanted? What is the discount amount? What's the price of your discounted item?
Alright, so how do you find the discount on your dress?
You multiply 48 by 0.2, you get 960.
$9.60? Good.
And then you take $9.60 away from $48, you get 38.4.
Good job. Any questions about that one? Alright, we're going to do 2 more. They're not on here. So I'm going to need you to flip over on the back and write them down. So everybody got this down? Alright, so these both problems are going to be you're buying them in Alabaster. And everybody knows the sales tax for Alabaster? 9%. Okay, so let's say that Justin bought an Apple Watch. How much do those things run?
$200. Not enough to interest.
Okay, for, let's just say $199.99, because that's usually how it looks in a store. Justin bought an Apple Watch for $199.99 in Alabaster. Okay, and he has a coupon for 10% off. I want you, yes. Yeah. I want you, Yes. Go ahead and write this down. And while you're writing it down, I'll tell you what I want you to do. I want you to find the price of this Apple Watch with the tax and with the discount, okay? See if you can do it on your own, and then we'll go over it together.
said about the tax and the discount.
Yeah, find out what this would be with tax, and then find the discount. And if,
You think the discount is with the tax already on?
do you? Think about it, if you went to Best Buy.
So can I just round this up to $20? It says.
And I've got the answer on my phone. And if anybody can tell me, by raising their hand, the correct answer, I'm not going to look yet. I'm going to give y'all some more time. Then you can draw out of the box. We'll do that. But don't show it out. Let me pick somebody in it. Yours might be off a cent, but that's just how the cookie crumbles. It has to be exactly what it says on my phone.
So it has to be exactly like what yours is.
Yes.
You want us to round up to?
Round to the nearest cent. Is anybody still calculating? Okay. I'll give you a few more minutes. All right.
Wait.
Raise your hand if you would like to guess. Don't say that loud.
Oh, I got it.
Diego.
I got, final answer was 197.
Mm-mm. All right, Heidi. 196. Good. And we'll go over it.
196.
$5.
For which one?
Well, we got 181. I mean, that's not I don't know.
All right. So, Guy asked a good question. Shh. Guy asked a good question. He said, do you take the tax of this with the 10% discount, or take the tax first and then the 10% discount? Which one is it?
You did a discount.
Is the discount of this or of the entire purchase?
It's the entire purchase.
It's the entire purchase. That's how they would do it in Best Buy and Walmart. Let's see if it works both ways. So, you add the tax to this, and then that would be the total purchase, right? Total price. Then you take 10% discount. It might work both ways. We'll see. All right, so how would we take the tax of $199.99? What now? Good. 0.09. All right, tell me what we get when we do $199.99 times 0.09. Anybody can say it. Try it again. Y'all going to be doing this on your own tomorrow, so try it now. Okay, it's 17.9991, right? So that's going to round to what? $18. So this is the tax. We have to do what with this? Good. Tax, you got to add it back to this, right? 196.19, I think. Right, Heidi?
What if I got 196.20? That not be right.
It would be right, maybe just depending on how you rounded, but I just wanted the exact answer. So let's see what this is going to be. So we add 18, we'll get what? Alright, then we can take the 10% discount, right? So you would take this and do what? Multiply it by what?
0.1.
Good. That's going to give us what? 217.99.
217. No. 41.7.
Alright, we'd have to round that to what? 2180. Good. And then we do what with this? subtract it, because it's the discount. So when we subtract it, we'll get what?
196.96.
Yes, that would be the correct answer. Alright, any questions? So we're about to do one more like this. So any questions? Everybody's good to try another one? Okay. So let's say that Mackie bought, what you want to buy, Mackie?
Taco Bell.
He can buy a lot.
I want a Ferragamo belt.
Alright, I don't know what that is, but how much does it cost?
$650.
A belt for $650.
For a belt.
And let's say he bought it in Alabaster, so tax is what? 9%. And let's say he had 25% off coupon.
Well, my belt's gonna be cheap, boy.
Go ahead and find out the final price, and then again, I'll call on somebody. If you get it right, you can draw the box. It has to be to the correct cent.
Where's the tag? Wait, is this an Alabaster? Okay.
These belts is definitely not Alabaster.
That's okay, we'll pretend. Raise your hand if you're still working. Okay, I'll give you a few more seconds. Alright, anybody want to guess? You don't want to guess, Mackie? It's your belt. Okay. Alright, Eric, what you got?
531.37.
Great job. His belt would be $531.37.
Yeah, I definitely
I
would
got
have been on that.
531.375.
Well, I got
You gotta go all the way to
591.5.
the point, huh?
We'll go over.
I got 38.
38.
Yeah, if everybody would be quiet.
Yeah, put some fire around. This important.
We're about to go over it so you can see.
Can you double check and make sure?
I can.
Can you make sure that's right?
We're going to right now.
What we finna do?
Alright, so first we gotta find the discount or tax.
I mean, tag.
Let's do tax first. So 650 times what?
0.09.
0.09. So tell me what y'all got on that.
$58.05.
Oops. Times 0.09. I got 58.50. Everybody good?
Yes.
Then we do what with that?
I had that to 650.
Okay, so tell me what you get when you add it.
$708.50.
Okay? And then we gotta take this and do what with it?
Times 25%. 0.25.
Tell me what you get.
$177.25.
177 point,
125.
no, round it. 13. And then you subtract it from this one. Yeah, round to the nearest cent always. Because it's money we're talking about, right?
Cause I got 12.
Yeah, you didn't round up. Alright, everybody good with that?
Yeah, no?
Any questions?
Still no.
One more?
No.
Alright, flip it over. We got to finish this page first, then we will if we have time. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be talking about is finding percent of increase or decrease. Okay, and the formula's up here. So it's going to be the amount of increase, so you're going to find the difference of the two. So just subtracting, divided by the original amount. Same thing with decrease. Okay, so the first one, go ahead and read example 1, Eric.
A jacket regularly sells for $134. The sales price is set $60.75. Find the percent decrease in the sale price from the regular price.
Good. So we're trying to figure out how much we're saving, what percentage. So we're going to find the difference of the first two prices first. So 135.00 minus 60.75. Somebody tell me what that's going to be. Y'all going to make me pick on somebody?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Caitlin, what'd you get?
Oh,
Hold on one second. You said 74 what? Good. 74.25. Now when we find the difference, we're going to divide by the original amount. And how much was the jacket originally?
135.
Good. So you divide by 135. And that's going to be what? Guy? Somebody help him out.
55%.
Good. 0.55. How do we change that to a percent?
Times by 100.
Good. So it's 55% off. That's a good sale.
That is good.
All right. Try number 2, example 2 on your own, then I'll call on somebody. Alright, anybody want to help me with example 2? Alright, Alonde, read it out loud.
The whole question.
Yes.
A TV at Walmart usually sells for $940. The sale price is $611. Find the percent decrease of the sale price from the regular price.
Alright, so what do we have to do first in this one?
$940 minus $611.
And that would give us what?
$329.
And then we would divide it by what?
The original sale price was $940.
And we would get,
35%.
good, it's 35% off. Any questions about that one? Alright, number 3 is just like a true or false question. It says John Tesh reported that PBS series The Civil War has an audience of 13% versus the usual 4% PBS audience, an increase of more than 300%. Did Tesh report the percent increase correctly? So I want you to find the percent increase, and then I'll call on somebody in just a second.
Wait, what?
Just work out number 3.
Alright.
It has to be more than 300, right? An increase of more than 300%. Alright, Jabari, is this one true or false? You don't know? Cyrus, is it true or false?
False.
I'm going to give y'all some more time to work this out.
You have to explain that.
You work it out the same way as 1 and 2. The numbers are 13 and 4. Try it again.
Oh.
Percentage. Oh, you're talking about in the original? It wouldn't matter if you did or not. You get the same thing.
I didn't get that. I don't know if I did or not.
Alright, Wyatt, true or false? For number 3. Why? What'd you get for your percentage increase?
I got false.
Nope. Why? How would I set this one up? Alright, before we work this one out, I have a story for you guys.
Is it a real
Story time.
Is it a real story?
And I need a volunteer for this.
Ooh, let me get it.
Alright, I'll pick Guy. And so when I'm asking him this story, nobody else say anything, okay? I'm only asking his opinion. Nobody else say anything, nobody else help him out, and at the end I'll ask everybody's opinion, okay?
I want to be the story guy.
Alright, so say that, Guy, you went to McDonald's this evening after school to get some supper, okay? And your mom has only given you $10 this week, assuming you don't have a job. Your mom gave you $10 this week to get food. Okay, you haven't spent any yet, you're going to spend it at McDonald's. You go through the drive-thru line, order your food, and you pay $5. Your meal is $5. Okay? So you've already ordered, but you haven't gotten up to the window. You're kind of in between. Cars are backed up, so you haven't got to the window yet. And suppose I was a homeless person, or I tell you I'm a homeless person. I come up to your car and I say, I haven't eaten in days, I'm homeless, I have no money, I'm starving, I don't have a job. Do you have any money you could give me? Okay? So, well, shh, not asking your opinion yet. Don't help him out. You don't have any food yet. You're still stuck in between the line. So would you give me any money?
$4.
You give me $4? Okay. So say that, and I told you, say that before I asked for money, I told you, I said, I'm going to use this money to go to McDonald's and get me some food. I'm starving. Okay, and you give me $4. But I don't go to McDonald's. I go to the gas station across the street, okay? So you see me walk to the gas station across the street, and I do spend all the money on cigarettes, on one pack of cigarettes, okay? Nobody say nothing. I go to the gas station, and I buy cigarettes, and then I see that you're still in line, you haven't gotten your food yet, you're still waiting. And I go up to your car, and I say, and keep in mind you'll have $6 left, right? $5 for your meal, you have $1 left. And I say, can I have some more money? And you would ask me what? Suppose you didn't know that I bought cigarettes. If I asked you for more money, you would ask me what?
Where did your money go?
And I would say on a pack of cigarettes. Would you give me any more money?
No,
Why?
because you lied to me.
Okay. I didn't. Okay, I lied to you.
Yeah.
But I also spent it on cigarettes and not food, right? That I really needed. Okay, now I'll ask the rest of you. Raise your hand if you'd give me more money.
He spent it on cigarettes.
Raise your hand if you wouldn't give me any more money. Okay. The reason I'm telling you this story, no, this didn't happen to me. The reason I'm telling you this story is because, nobody say anything, I come in here every day and I print out these nice notes for you, don't I? So you don't have to copy down anything except for the problem. I help you with this. I go over several problems. I ask if anybody has questions. I give y'all candy. I provide pencils. I provide calculators, as many as I can afford. Okay?
That was a good
Nah, I'm not done yet.
Uh-oh.
I'm here every morning for zero period to help you. If you ask me in class to help you, do I help you?
Yeah.
Every time, even when you're being a turd, I help you. Okay? I let you make up work. If you don't do well on tests, I let you make up those if you did your study guide. I give you tons of extra credit opportunities, don't I? I'm very respectful to y'all. Am I not? Don't say a word. And y'all still, even though I give you all this help, even though he gave me money, y'all still come in here and you play on your phones, and you don't pay attention, and you lay your heads down, and you don't come to zero period to make up your work. And then, after that, after I help you, after you choose not to take advantage of it, after you buy your pack of cigarettes, you will come to me and say what? Can you help me with this? I'm sorry, I was sleeping. I was on my phone the time you were, trying to help me, but can you help me now? And what do you think I should say?
No.
Okay, all of y'all said, no, you wouldn't help me again, would you?
No.
But then y'all expect me to help you anyways, right?
I said I would help you though.
What if I got angry at Guy and said, you know what? You're going to give me money because that's what you're expected to do.
Roll my window up.
Okay, I will remember that. I will remember that next time y'all are just sitting there playing on your phone and just not trying it because you're being lazy or maybe you just don't feel like it. And how would you feel, Guy, after I asked you for more money? You'd be angry, right? Upset, hurt, confused.
Yeah.
Just keep that in mind. I'm a human being just like you are. Okay? I have feelings. I get upset when y'all don't take advantage of these things, and I'm trying to help you. Bending over backwards to help you, okay?
Thank you.
I just want you to keep that in mind. I love you guys. I'll do anything to help you. I will. But you have to help yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to choose to buy food instead of cigarettes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't smoke, and no, that never happened.
I got a question. So,
Now, before we talk about that, we're going to finish this problem. And I'm going to call on somebody, and they better have an answer.
I got you.
Heidi, tell me how to work this one out.
Like 13%
Somebody help her out.
13 minus 1.
Minus 4, which gave us,
Nine.
divided by 4.
Well, I thought it was divided by 13.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Helping me out. And you would get what?
69%.
69%.
That'd be false.
So is it true or false?
False.
Good, because 69 is definitely not more than 300.
not even close to it.
All right. Your homework for tonight is to finish that worksheet.
Right. Okay.
You need to get it out and be working on it. If you choose not to, that's fine. You'll just get a 0. You know I'm here to help you, to ask me questions if you have
As
it.
far as you treating folks
Yeah, that's
right, you
fine.
treat me kind of bad. You treat me
Oh,
kind
for
of
How
that
do
bad.
you
game.
treat me?
I treat you respect.
By getting up while I'm teaching, looking at yourself in the mirror, having your cell phone out, not doing your work?
Okay. When I look myself in the mirror, that's different.
No, it's not.
Howard.
I was gonna come in here and finish my task, but we had that.
Your turn.
So this would be 25 over 1,000. So this would be 625 over, 625 over 1,000, they just simplify it out. Okay, so amount of decrease, you can find the difference between these two. 13 and 14, that's in place. Um, 13 is the income share. So that's in place. 9 over the original. So it usually has 9 as a comment. And now we're not. Now you multiply that by what? Not 30. We're trying to use this to 8%. Okay, good. And remember, I'm checking homework tomorrow. This is the only homework you had this week. It's just this sheet to make sure it's done. I'm checking homework tomorrow. So this sheet. Oh, good. My story will be on Google.